Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm the head dental assistant here at Facial Beauty Dental. I've worked here for a little over 16 years. We offer so many different procedures here and treatments for patients that every day I come in, I'm going to help somebody in a different way. And those act as anchors to help move the teeth around.
Okay.
We're a very fast-paced office, but we also like to have fun too. We like to talk to our patients about their day and how's it going. We do bridges to crowns to implants to orthodontics to dentures, you name it. Dr. Smith pretty much does it all. Dr. Smith's really gentle and he'll explain anything to the patient that they need. They just have a sense of safety here. Come see us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.